Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to use UCard at Sam's Club. You can use your United Healthcare UCard at Sam's Club to purchase eligible items, but there are some important details and you need to keep them in mind. So first of all, you need to check if your UCard is eligible at Sam's Club. Some Medicare Advantage or Dual Special Needs plan UCards come with an OTC, which is over-the-counter benefit that can be used at select retailers, including Sam's Club. Your healthy food benefit, if included in your plan, might also be accepted at Sam's Club. So if everything's normal and if your U-card is eligible at Sam's Club, now you can start using it at the Sam's Club. So in store purchases, you can swipe your U-card like a debit card at checkout. There is also self-checkout. If accepted, select the debit payment option. And also there is an issue about the online purchases. U-card use for online shopping at the Sam's Club may be restricted, so check with U-card member services before attempting. So what can you buy? This is an important question. Eligible items may include over-the-counter medications, first aid supplies, personal care products, healthy foods, if your plan includes this benefit. And there are not eligible products like alcohol, tobacco, pet food, electronics, and general merchandise. Confirm your balance and benefits. Before shopping, check your UCard balance. Visit the UCard hub. Use the United Healthcare app. You can do it by visiting the UCard hub or using the United Healthcare app, or you can also call the number on the back of your UCard. So that's how you can use your UCard at Sam's Club. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.